Give me one. Grumpy Bear.
Grumpy Bird.
Don't get one. Grumpy Bear.
When Bird woke up, he was grumpy.
Yeah, like dinner. Grumpy
He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird. Sheep said, "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's no fun." "I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too."
He walked past Beaver.
Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," snapped Bird. "What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "I'm walking." "Walking," guessed Beaver. "I love walking." Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everybody want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" said Fox. "Let's go."
Go. I'm almost rock. I'm going to be a big fox. I'm almost rocks.
Good job.
But stop. I'm almost stop.
Good job.
Look there.
Bird stood on one leg.
And they're on one leg. We jumped out and was down.
Be quiet, Mom.
Be quiet, Mom. They jumped. It's a fun bear. Bear. Look for my neck.
Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack.
And they did. Who they go in for lunch? They go in for candy.
Uh-huh.
Collect his cat.